the other component of this blueprint is to have a funnel in place. If you're not familiar with what a funnel is, well, just think of it as a process that you take your customers or leads through, in which you can collect their contact information and also sell them products through each step of the funnel. So in your YouTube video descriptions, you're going to want to have a call to action. Okay, so for example, in the other video where I showed you a video that generated a lot of traffic, that video was about Bitcoin, or how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for beginners. So you could create a quick checklist showing all the tools you need to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and offer that as a free gift. You could just say in your description, click here to find out what the best tools are for buying Bitcoin and other types of cryptocurrency. Okay, so obviously the product has to be related to the topic of the video. So when they click on the link, they get brought to your funnel. Now the first step of your funnel, or the first page you see, should be your squeeze page that offers a free product. And on the squeeze page should be an opt-in form so they could um, enter their email address and other contact information if that's what you require. Now, the free product, aside from being a checklist, can also be a report, a video, and it can be in many forms. And to create these free products, you can do it yourself, or you could hire people to do it for you on Fiverr and other sites. And you could also buy products that have private label rights. And private label rights, or PLR, are products that other people create, and then you sell the rights for people to be able to edit and resell those products. Okay, or to give them away depending on what the license is. And same thing comes to creating the next step of your funnel, which is the OTO page or upsell page or whatever you want to call it. Because once your leads sign up, you show them an offer and you sell them a product that you either created or outsourced, or you bought the private label rights to. Okay, alternatively, if you don't want to spend the time creating a product and trying to sell them a product, you could just direct your leads to an affiliate product sales page. And to find affiliate products, there are dozens of affiliate networks out there. What comes to mind are ClickBank, JVZoo, and Wire Plus. ClickBank is for almost every type of niche out there, and as for JVZoo and Wire Plus, that's more for products in the internet marketing and make money online niche. Now, when I create funnels, I do use a tool called ClickFunnels, which is fairly expensive. So if you can't afford it, there are other funnel builders in the market. You could also create your own funnel for free. There are video tutorials on YouTube on how to create squeeze pages from scratch, and also how to create just web pages using HTML